The biggest mistake homeowners make when buying a garage door is not knowing what to look for. If they can't tell you the insulation rating, don't buy it. In warm climates, non-insulated can be fine. But in colder climates, look for at least R12 to R18. Ask about the steel thickness. You want 26 gauge steel at minimum. If it flexes with your hand, it'll dent with a hockey puck. Hardware is where companies cut costs. Thin hinges, low cycle springs, steel rollers. And if you use your garage as your main entrance, ask for a higher cycle spring upgrade. It's smart to get more than one quote, but if one price is way lower than the rest, something is different, and you'll usually regret it later. Not all garage doors are built the same. Save this before you get a quote to change your garage door.